Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok now on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for TikTok now, and you need to download that application and then you need to click on open. Once you are on that interface, you simply need to click on start and click on login or sign up. If you have TikTok account, you simply need to tap on that and it will log in into your TikTok account, as you can see that, and click on next. And if you want, you can allow to contact, so I do not want to allow, and click on next again. So click on swipe up. Okay, so as you can see that this is my TikTok now application. So this is our process by which you can download TikTok now on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.